Good morning, everyone. Today is the morning time, and I completed my morning reading part, and after that I came outside. And today I am also trying to start my day as a recording. And today I will go somewhere for a medicine purpose. But before that, I also want to connect with you, and I also want to tell you the sorrow of my heart. In your life, always try to secure your respect and always try to work for yourself. While when you will not work for yourself, then everyone will try to humiliate you. Everyone will try to unrespect you. If you want respect in this world, try to work on yourself. Don't do any kind of laziness to building yourself. Give your all effort, give your the best to building yourself, to make yourself valuable and more influent. What is your dream? Don't try to depend anyone in your life. If you when you will depend on, then all time he will try to sometime humiliate you. He will try to unrespect you. When you have all things, use your all ability, use your all capability, then you will be perfect, then you will be a respectful person in your life. Respect, if you want respect, so start work on yourself. So last night I did not take my food. For this reason I was hungry. So morning time I thought, what should I eat? So I thought, my favorite is dosa. So I helped my sister. She also managing everything, but I was helping her. And for making dosa today, she had to suffer a lot because I added something, but I did not tell you. So and today I got a big experience, means what I was making, in how I was making, it is not perfect and it is not correct. So really she was suffering a lot for making dosa, and she was feeling so bad, but she could not say because she also respect me and she also loves me. So as per sake of brother, and she also managed everything, and she also cooked for me very dosa. Really, it was amazing. Now you can see I am eating with dosa and curry. And so after finishing my breakfast, so I dress up for going my granny home area because today I have to use my medicine for a sensitive problem. So I went through the Toto. This journey I was enjoying, and during my journey I saw lots of things, the jail and water, many more things I saw. Really, this journey was very good and great. But what type of suffer I faced during my using medicine, it was really painful. Then I told and promised to myself I will care than medicine and how much possible for me, and I will try to take a good quality food and healthy food, and I will take always food through but this bar because by maintaining and by caring of food I can heal my body, and I will definitely do it because what type of pain and what type of problem I got during this medicine, it was really painful. It was very painful. No, again I don't want to bear same type of